Well, welcome back, Razor Adventure fans. Today's video is going to be a little different. We're doing some installs on Nate's 2017 blue Razor 4900. We're going to show you what we're going to do a quick install video, and then in future videos here we'll do a review. And tonight, I'm hoping you can see mine out there. We brought mine. I'm going to show you something pretty cool. So stay tuned and we'll get to it. Alright, one of the first things we're going to cover today, I don't know how many people are like us, but this happened on both of our machines. That terminal all the way on the left here is ignition hot. The problem was, neither one of ours was ignition hot. So we did some research, and at the same time found out there's a fuse back here, for those who don't already know. In the fuse block by the battery, it's in the top right, and it's called the TERM. It's a 15 amp fuse. And I'm pretty sure that when we pull this one out, it's going to be burnt, because just yesterday we did the same thing to mine. So here we go. Here's the moment. Oh, almost sparked the battery here. Yep. You can see that on camera. She's burnt right off. Not sure what happened to this run of machines, but we'll just replace that and we'll be ignition hot again. On to the next project. Okay, let's take a look at our first part of our project here. Nate ordered some Boss, what are they? Rebel Power Sports pod speakers. We're going to throw one in his Razor today. Comes with some pretty cool stuff. Looks like it's got a Bluetooth. And according to the diagram over here, we can audio jack plug it into. Yep, there it is. It's got spacers for multiple size roll bars. Our plugs, looks like we're going to have to make a couple terminals for our battery hot and power, but everything else looks pretty plug and play. We got some cables over here. I'm guessing for security reasons, not sure. Came with some pretty decent instructions. Something like this doesn't look too difficult. The only important thing, there is a torque spec on these bolts here that we will definitely make sure and follow.
They come in 6.5.
Oh, okay. You can get them in 6.5 and 8 inch, and these are
6.5.
the 6.5 two-way amplified marine grade roll cage wake tower speaker pods. So let's get to work. Work it. Work it. Love the camera. Love the camera. Well, we're going to split the work. I'm going to start doing some connector ends for the battery install. Nate's jumping on the install of the speakers. He's going to get those mounted.
Yep.
Right over there. Okay, just taking kind of a break here. Update you on where we're at. I've got the battery leads connected. I'm discreetly running our speaker cable up, courtesy of the zip ties. And we're getting ready to throw the second pot up. Just a quick note though, for those of you who never put clamps like this on, make sure when you're tightening them down, you do a little bit on each side and not just cramp one rail all the way down and then try and do the other one. Just a little tip there. A lot of this stuff is going to be specific to your machine. I'm just going to try and cover all the stuff that has to happen with these specific speakers. Okay, we're at least installed. Not everything's zip tied up. We're going to locate this over here somewhere, but it's working. Had to unplug and plug a couple connectors back in a couple times. But it was as simple as battery hot and ground. Run your cable where you want. Run your cables here and here. We got another project. We're going to add some more stuff to the inside of the roll bar here, so we're going to zip tie these cables up in a little bit. But for now, we're rocking out. Okay, we'll let the cat out of the bag. We ordered a strip of these LEDs, blue in color for this one. We waited on some of these big cables because we're going to zip tie them all together towards the front here. Mount everything nice and solid. I'm working up front here. We're going to switch over the power for the winch to the ignition power that we fixed earlier, and we'll run the LED strip off of that too. So, and some electrical stuff going on. We'll keep you updated. Okay, I'm going to catch up to where we're at here. We have the LED strip run around. I got to clean up that corner a little bit when we wire it together. Get the LED strip run around. I'll let you wait and see what color it's going to be. Actually, I think I already told them. Then, drawing power for the LED strip on the ignition hot side. I've also put in, same thing we have on mine, the trickle charger leads anyways, to plug that in when we want to here. Got this wire running through here. Just picked it up at the auto parts store. Going to connect to a lighted switch, and then from there we're going to run up the A pillar, if you will, to our connection. So hopefully next time you see it, we're going to be all lit up. Okay, just wanted to talk real quick about the lights here. They're an Amazon special, and the switch was just a hardware switch. Everything's wired ignition hot. There you go.
Alright guys, as you can see, we've got the Boss Audio 6.5 inch speakers hooked up to the Razor. Up here I did a little custom mount to the dash. I wrapped my auxiliary connection behind it, so it's right there if I need it. Just zip tied my wires to the roll bar. A couple questions I had earlier was there's no volume. Well, there actually is. If you hit this button here for next track and you hold it down for about 3 seconds, it turns the volume up. Same thing here at the bottom. Hold it for 3 seconds, volume down. Bluetooth connection, pretty easy. Just hold the play button for 3 to 5 seconds. It'll flash at you and make a chirp. And you get full connection there on your phone or iPod or whatever device you're running. Pretty simple. I just did a run. My machine's a little dirty. I did a run the other day, and probably shouldn't have been, but I was going about 65 miles an hour down the road just to see if I could hear the music. You can hear it perfect, crystal clear quality. Even a little bit of bass to it, which I thought was surprising. Great quality sound. So on that note, I've got her turned on now. I'll volume up, and you can hear them.
We got one more thing to show you. We'll get back to you here in a little bit. Hang on. Thanks for watching our install video for the new Boss speakers and the add-on LED interior lights. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, hit us up in the comment section or send us an email and we'll do our best to share our knowledge. And as always, make sure to subscribe and share our videos and hit that notification button to keep up with all of our Razor adventures.